Hi there. Ready to explore? Elena sat in the playroom. Colorful ice cubes sparkled in her hands. They were cold and smooth. She giggled as they slipped and slid. In the science lab, Elena wore a white coat. She held a magnifying glass. The ice cubes glimmered under her gaze. Each one had tiny, shimmering crystals. At the playground, the sun shone brightly. Elena watched the ice cubes melt. Little puddles formed with a splash. She smiled at the sun's warm touch. Back in the lab, Elena watched closely. Water droplets formed, shining like tiny stars. They fell with a soft plop. She clapped her hands in delight. In the wind meadow, the breeze rustled. Elena sat and wondered. The wind whispered through the grass. How does water dance with the wind? In the night garden, Elena explored. The stars twinkled above her. She dreamed of magic. Can melting be a kind of magic? See you soon.
Thank you very much.